the 2019 Co-op now. We're group 5 and we're the marketing team.
Our job is to show you what campus like.
We had a few questions we decided to ask you.
So without further ado,
It's $100 for me to process to get you that new car back in and put you into something else. Is that, if you want to do that? You good with that? All right, well, we'll start off there. I'm going to give you a receipt now. Because you got to pay me $100 to take it in, because it's used now. And I can't sell it as new. So I'm going to have to charge you $100 to take that car in. And I'm going to put trade in. All right, so I know that's $100. I know that sucks, but it's live. All right, let's talk about what you're going to be in now. You're going to just use vehicle. Okay, then you're going to have some maintenance, gas. You sure that's where you want to be?